In the ancient world, food was earned. In today's world, it's endless. We've gone from feast or famine to feast and then more feast. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a fascinating truth about human biology and how alternating multi-day fasting and feasting may be far more natural than the constant eating pattern we've been sold. Let's explore how ancient humans survived and thrived on cycles of scarcity and abundance, and how the modern food industry has hijacked our biology for profit.
By the way, if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this in the future.
For most of human history, we didn't have grocery stores or stocked kitchens. We hunted, we foraged, we went days, sometimes even weeks, without a successful kill. But when we did find food, it was time to feast. This cycle, fasting followed by feasting, wasn't a diet. It was survival. And over thousands of generations, our bodies evolved to thrive on this eating pattern. Today, we don't eat when we're hungry. We eat when the clock says so, or when the commercial plays, or when we're just bored. 3 meals a day, plus snacks, late-night cravings, frappuccinos, protein bars, delivery apps. We've been conditioned, like Pavlov's dogs, to respond to triggers, not hunger, habit. And who benefits from this cycle of non-stop eating? Not your body, the food industry. When you eat all day, every day, your body never gets a break. Your insulin stays high, your fat burning switches off, your cells stop responding properly to fuel. Your hunger hormones get scrambled. We weren't meant to graze like cattle. We were built for the rhythm of feast and famine. Continuous eating is breaking that rhythm, and it's fueling the obesity epidemic. So how do we get back to our roots? Enter alternate multi-day fasting and feasting. Fasting for 36, 48, even 72 hours or more not only mimics ancient famine periods, it also lowers insulin, speeds up fat burning through ketosis, promotes cellular repair, resets your hunger hormones, and then you feast, not a cheat meal. A strategic, nutrient-dense refueling with healthy fats, proteins, ultra-low or no carbs to maintain ketosis and enough calories to nourish the body. Ketosis is a natural metabolic state. In fact, newborns enter a state of ketosis shortly after their umbilical cords are cut, thereby shutting off the flow of glucose, which is blood sugar, from the placenta. The food industry created a world where you're always eating, but never satisfied, where you're always full, but somehow still craving more. By returning to the ancient cycle of fasting and feasting, we break the spell. We retrain our bodies, we rewire our hunger signals, and we take control back from the profit-driven machine that turned eating into a conditioned response and created an epidemic of chronic illness. Fasting isn't starvation. Feasting isn't gluttony. Together, they form a natural rhythm, a ketogenic dance that heals your body and restores your optimal metabolic balance. So next time you feel that snack craving coming on, ask yourself, is this real hunger, or have I just been conditioned? Thanks for watching. If you've ever tried a multi-day fasting followed by feasting strategy, share your experience in the comments below. Until next time, feast like our ancient ancestors, not like one of Pavlov's dogs.